Hello my unique queens, Quianaunique here. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's DIY we are going to make a maxi dress. I got this jersey stretch material from my local Hobby Lobby. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, a lot of pins, a sewing machine, a tank top. This tank top fits me really well, so make sure you find one that fits you perfect, as well as a skirt. Now that you have all of your materials, you're going to fold your fabric in half. I purchased 2 yards, and you're going to lay your tank top on top of your fabric along with your skirt, line the waist up together, and you're going to cut a 1/2 inch around your tank top and skirt. This 1/2 inch is for your sewing allowance. You are using the tank top and skirt as a pattern. This is great when you don't have patterns or you don't feel like going to the sewing store or something like that. Once you have it all cut out, you're going to fold the top layer of fabric in half, and you're going to cut a V at the top for your neckline. I left the back portion just the way I cut it because I like how it fit close to the neck, and then just had the opening for the V neck. Now line your fabrics back together, and you're going to pin the sides for sewing. Make sure you do not pin the armhole closed because that needs to be sewn separately, not together. This is where you're going to make sure that you sew your 1/2 inch seam allowance all the way down. And it does not have to be super perfect, these pins, because as long as you can sew a straight line, you are good. Now it's time to fold your neckline in. Remember that we already have our fabrics right side in, so that way it's easier to pin your fabric down. So you're simply going to fold it down and pin. You're going to want to do the front part of your neckline as well as the back part of your neckline, and make sure that you do not pin both pieces of fabric together. Once you have your neckline pinned down, you are then going to go on to your armholes, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pin those back as well all the way around on both sides. Once you have this done, it is time to go to the sewing machine. You want to make sure that you sew your 2 pieces of fabric together first. Once you have that done, then you're going to sew your neck hole and your armholes. What I really like about this fabric is it's generous and it stretches, so you can always adjust your design. And that is it. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.